Section 117 of the Qanun-E Shahdat sets the stage for understanding burden of proof. It states that the party asserting the existence of a fact bears the responsibility of proving it. This is the fundamental principle underpinning the entire concept. Think of it like this. If you claim that your neighbor damaged your property, you are the one who needs to prove it. Simply making the accusation isn't enough. You need to present evidence, like witness testimonies or photographic proof, to convince the court that your neighbor is liable. This section highlights the proactive role parties need to play in legal proceedings. It emphasizes that you can't simply make allegations and expect the other side to disprove them. The burden rests on the person making the claim. This ensures that cases are decided based on evidence, not conjecture. Section 118 delves into the specifics of who shoulders the burden of proof. It clarifies that the person claiming something to be true generally carries the burden. However, there are exceptions. For instance, if someone claims a right or benefit based on a fact, they need to prove that fact exists. On the other hand, if someone else wants to deny that right or benefit, the burden shifts to them to disprove the fact. Let's say you're in a land dispute. You claim ownership based on an inherited will. You need to prove the will's authenticity. But if the other party argues the will is forged, the burden shifts to them to prove their claim. This back and forth ensures a balanced approach to evidence and fairness in legal proceedings. Section 119 emphasizes the importance of specificity when it comes to burden of proof. It states that if a fact is essential to establish a claim or defense, the party relying on that fact must prove it. This means you can't just make general assertions. You need to back them up with evidence directly related to the specific facts in question. For example, in a theft case, it's not enough to prove that the accused was present at the crime scene. The prosecution must also show that the accused actually took the stolen property. This requires evidence that directly links the accused to the act of theft. This section ensures that cases are decided based on concrete evidence, not vague allegations. It compels all parties to be precise and focused in their arguments and evidence presentation, leading to a more thorough and just legal process.